Alright everybody, here we are again, and this live is again gonna be for 2 hours. Of course, when we say 2 hours, right, disconnected and it's trying to reconnect. That means I'm facing kind of a network issue right now. That's alright, but when will it reconnected successfully. So my OBS just got disconnected and it got reconnected again, so we can just simply go ahead, that's not a big problem. And let me check whether I'm being shown over. There's something wrong with my OBS. It's just disconnecting again and again. I don't know why. And then reconnecting too. Okay, let's see. The chat is going to be on. It's going to be like that. During the day, the problem is that I focus on the with this OBS Studio. I don't know why is it disconnecting over and over, and then it reconnects. But I just hope I'm great. I'm really happy to see you here. Sure. Okay, let me do something so that I could reply to. So yeah, the live chats are gonna be on. The good thing for the evening lives. Give me a second. This particular thing, this OBS causing the problem, I will have to restart it anyhow. So I'm going to stop the stream right now, and I will reconnect it, and let's see whether it works or not. It has started again. That is amazing, and I hope I will not face the same problem again. Sir, please give me your number. Don't you have my number? Seriously? But okay, I can give you. That's not a big problem. I'm making it live directly over there. Just copy and paste, and after that I will delete it from here. I don't want to get lots of calls. Just I hope 9301395. I hope the number is right. 93. Don't call me right now because my mobile is outside, so I won't be able to answer. But of course later we can get in touch. 930163958. Yeah, that's right. I have even respelled it, so it doesn't matter what I do. It can be given to others too. Okay, by the way, let's simply go ahead. I hope everything's fine right now. There's a lot of work, especially the project we were working yesterday that is not done yet. We worked on that project for 2 days and that is still not done. That is the crazy thing. But I hope today I will get that done. Few advanced things, kind of errors I faced, and then some of the topics that I forgot. Because of all those things, we had to face that issue. But okay, let's give it a try. You may not be able to understand anything at all over here. I'm going to remove the number, like I'm going to delete the text message of my number, so kindly note that down properly, and then that will be deleted. Okay, let's be serious over here now. And the main thing is that I'm actually working on the project, so you may not have any idea regarding what I'm doing over here. That's completely alright. You may skip the video after some time whenever you feel like. Okay, real-time chat app, front-end, back-end. Let's open it. There were so many things yesterday. I don't even know how many things I'll have to face while working on this particular project. Initially, I thought it would be easy, but the fact is that it doesn't seem to be easy. Okay, I'm deleting the number. In case if you couldn't note it down, then you can let me know, and I will resend it. By the way, I have deleted that right now. Okay, right now the next thing is that I have to have a look at few projects to do chat application, Postgres learning. There are actually so many things right now. Which one should I focus on? Okay, there are so many projects. I just wanted to have some of them as a reference so that I could simply go ahead with them. For that thing, blog, website, e-commerce, to-do app, React pages. Let's see if I have that context I have in this one. Okay. Let's keep it here too. It is just for a reference. It's not exactly the same project, but it will give me some idea regarding what to do next. Oh, so many errors are here. Let's run both the things, the front end as well as the back end, and then we'll have a better idea. Okay, cd backend npm runtime. The backend started. Let's talk about the front end. So not really. cd front end npm runtime. So it's here the craziest thing. I just hope that I will be able to do it. The thing is that I don't know what kind of errors I'm gonna face right now. So I can make it, that is for sure. How long it will take, I don't know. But I hope today it will be done. Okay, chat. These things were already done, I think. Where was I yesterday? Because we can create the rooms. If I enter Vipendra over here, the room is created. The room I did here. I can simply join my room. I can come back. I can enter my name again, and I can enter the room ID again. I can join from here. So everything all right. I mean, things seem to be working. There's only one problem, that if a user joins here, I got a room. So the room ID should be accessible on the next page, and the next page is that chat section, chat page, where we actually start chatting over here. So chat app, and then I wanna show the room ID over here. And in order to show the room ID over here, I need to have the room ID in all the pages. Share the room ID in all the pages. Chat disconnected. Please wait while successful. Chat disconnected. Please wait while successfully connected. What is happening? I have no idea right now. I may have to restart my PC or something. Things should work fine, but things are not working fine. It got successfully connected, but there is a problem. Let's check the internet speed, and after that we'll be going ahead. And for the people who may be watching, feel free to leave. That's not a big problem. Chat disconnected, and then it got reconnected. So what problem am I facing right now? The data issue or something, but it seems to be okay. But okay, this thing will keep happening. I don't really know the problem. I will fix it by tomorrow. I think it will automatically be fixed by tomorrow. What I think right here is that even if I create two contexts for both the pages, these things are okay, because these things are being used here only. I just need the user ID, I need the message, and I need the WebSocket so that I could send the chats back there, right? With these things I should be okay, good to go. I mean, I should not really face any problem. But in case we face problems, we will change our approach, and by changing our approach, we will switch to the another one. For now, let's simply go ahead. So message is here. WS is an object. I made an object, made it object. Is it really important to keep some value inside it? I mean, if we want, can't we just remove all these things from here? And guess what? We can't. We will have to keep it there. Okay. Let's chat with AI first of all. The type of WS stands for WS bracket web socket. Socket is web socket. Now, what value should I give it by default, considering I am using TypeScript? Something like that. I hope it will be able to help me. When describing declaring a variable of type WebSocket in TypeScript, the safest default value is to initialize null, or you use a union type or define assignment pattern, because there is no sensibly dummy WebSocket instance and actual. Okay, got that. ultimately we can give it a null value too. So what am I gonna do? I hope it's gonna help me to some extent. It's gonna be either WebSocket or null, and we can give it null value, something like this. Gonna be really helpful. That means over here we can give it the null value, and the type of it is going to be either WebSocket or null value, something like this. This doesn't seem to be right, so would I have to use one? Using types we need to just use one over there, that's alright. So this thing is done. So this way I can fix all those things. The room ID is going to be string, so it is like empty string, that's alright. Set messages, set WS, set room ID, all of them are functions, and they return void. They do get some argument. This is the parameter, argument actual value. Okay, so these are the parameters we are getting over here, and with the help of those parameters we will be setting the values. Things should work fine. Question is, this set message is the direct what is this actually? Set message is the direct function. If I just enter any value in the set message, it will set the message, as simple as that. It will get some value. Will it return some value or not? That's a question to think about. But we will figure it out later, that's not a big problem. If I just start thinking about everything right here, it's gonna be too much. Okay, then going ahead, we got message type and types messages, though we can export it, but okay, we are just copying and pasting it here. We got the WS context provider, we are getting children, all the children are being shown here inside this. Then WS context provider, it is sending all these things. Set message, what is the problem? Dispatch set state action message type. What is the type of set messages in use state? Okay, over here we are getting messages. These messages should have two things. What are those things? First thing is the name. Name is going to be just a string for now, and second one is going to be message itself. That's also going to be string for now, and this should not cause a problem. But I'm getting okay. Message type is the type. It should be an array. That was my problem. Let's make it an array, and things are gonna be fine right now. Okay, children are there. What is the type of children? The type of children is the HTML elements or something. Let's search it online. Type of children in React.js. Google is there. What is the need to worry about anything? Okay, React. What is the type of children from? Instead of taking the help of AI, we should ourselves figure out the things. Otherwise, depending too much on AI is also a problem. Okay, come on. Come on. Here we are. So, children React node. Interesting. Export interface of children. Suppose I'm using this, the cross layout. So, are they React node? React children, ox props. What is those? It is React child or React children? React child. React children. So either one child or children. Interesting. Children. We are getting children over here. The types of is children. That is React node. I'm getting it from React. So let's make it React node. So mostly they are React nodes. So there's that. Yeah. It should be React node. Come on. React node. This is not right. Use state React node. So from there. React dot React node. So ultimately this React node should be from there. I'm getting it from React itself, so this should be right. Why? Building elements React node implicitly has any type. Who is knocking? React node. Things are getting crazier. This doesn't throw this does React node is declared but its value is never read. What do you mean by that? Can I use fs over there? I learned about this thing too in past. This fs functional something, I have no idea exactly the full form of it, but I can give it props, and the props is gonna be chill. Okay, got that. Sorry, that my bad. A should be like this. Children's type is going to be React node. Are you happy now? Seems to be happy, not really getting. Okay, we are getting this React node. This React node is a type and must be imported using type only. Imported, I have to just simply write over type here. Is okay, my laptop is not charged. Let me charge it, get it connected, and let me turn the fan on to. There is the port. This is the port. Okay, now we can go ahead. So this is it, done. Everything seems to be okay. We are getting the WebSockets. The type of WebSocket is this. It could be either WebSocket. The best thing is that it could be either WebSocket or it could be null. And if it could be null, so initial value I'm gonna be giving it null. Slowly I'm getting the command over all these things. Room ID is going to be string, so I can just give it an empty string. It should be fine. And the messages section is already done over here. Most of the things are already done except this set messages. What is the problem with this? Set messages, message type dispatch action, dispatch set state action messages type. What is the error? Type dispatch set state action message type is not assignable to type message type. Why? Types of parameters value. Alrighty, guess what? I have been facing a problem, but I hope by now the problem would be fixed. If it is not, then of course God knows what's gonna happen. Let's simply go ahead. Short answer: the context set message prop is typed as a function taking concrete message type argument, but you are passing React state setter from use state, whose type is dispatch this set state message type. These types are not assignable because state setter accepts either a value or an updater function, not strictly a message type value. So type is this, right? That's the same message I was getting. So this is dispatch set state action message type. Messages type. What's happening? How to fix it? So set room ID is equal to this React.dispatch React set message string. It gets a string, and ws React dispatch. So this is how I have to give them the type. Interesting, good to know that. It really helps. Dispatch I have to get, and then React set state action and messages type in set messages because I am getting messages there. Yeah. Then WebSocket or not and string. Wow, amazing. Is everything alright? Wow, everything's alright. Things are working fine so far. I have to just change the type. That was the main problem. The type is here is wrong. This is not a function. This is rather a set. What is this? What is this called? Use state message type. Where is this? The context set messages prop is typed as a function taking a concrete message type argument, but you are passing React state setter from use state whose type is dispatch this. These types are not assignable because a state setter accepts either a value or an updater function or a message type. That is a state setter, and that's true. So if a state setter is there, so the type of it is not gonna be like this. So how will it be? So let's get a dispatch from React, then set state not getting anyway. Okay. No, this network is gonna drive me crazy, and before it does it, I should just take some action. React.dispatch react.set state action. Somebody is calling me. Really? Let me disconnect it. God, they're kidding me. What am I supposed to do actually? As I will be live again. I just need a break of 2 to 3 minutes. I just need to get the thing fixed, and once the things are actually fixed, I will be back. Otherwise, this